Hey, good morning everybody. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you're new here, I'm just one old biker dude sharing my rides with you and bringing attention to muscular dystrophy. If you are a returning viewer, make sure you are subscribed by clicking down below and hit that bell to make sure you know whenever I post a new video. Today is the MDA virtual muscle walk, and I made a promise to ride as many miles as there were dollars donated on my page. We got up to $270, which is a pretty respectable ride. I kind of wish there could have been more, but that's all right. We'll do this. So we're gonna take a ride on some roads that are new to me, they're old to me, some places that we've visited before, but anyway, we're ready, so let's go. Welcome to Timberline Lodge. Last time I was up here, brought you guys up, cart up here on the Mount Hood Loop. I came up here and it was so foggy you couldn't see anything. So this is a much better day, much better view of Mount Hood and the Timberline Lodge. If you remember, the Timberline Lodge is used for the exterior shots of The Shining. I don't know if you can hear me very well. It is so windy out here. Made it up to the Stonehenge Monument near Maryhill, Washington. I hope you liked that last leg of the ride. Be sure you tune in for the last part of the ride, where I'll be covering Highway 14 in Washington.